Topic 1. Boeing workers continue their strike after rejecting a contract, highlighting labor disputes and tensions within the industry. Boeing defense workers have entered their seventh week of strike after rejecting the company's latest contract proposal. Approximately 3,200 members of the International Association of Machinists and Aerospace Workers, IAM, began their strike after turning down an offer made before August 4. These workers assemble fighter jets and military products, while Boeing is utilizing non-union labor to mitigate the impact of the strike. The company's proposal included an increase in retirement contributions and a signing bonus that was less than what commercial aircraft assembly workers accepted last year. Although Boeing offered an average 45% wage increase over 5 years, workers rejected it. The company plans to hire permanent replacement workers, and no further negotiations are scheduled. While this strike is smaller than last year's major strike by commercial aircraft assembly workers, it could impact Boeing's financial recovery, as the defense, space, and security sectors account for over a third of the company's revenue. Topic 2. The Justice Department is suing Uber over alleged disability discrimination, underscoring ongoing concerns about inclusivity and accessibility in the gig economy. The U.S. Department of Justice has filed a lawsuit against Uber for alleged disability discrimination. The lawsuit claims that Uber drivers have refused passengers with service animals and charged illegal cleaning fees and cancellation fees to disabled individuals. The Department of Justice stated that such discrimination has caused significant inconvenience for disabled individuals, leading them to miss appointments or become stranded in bad weather. Uber asserts that all drivers must comply with service animal and accessibility policies and denies the allegations. The department is seeking $125 million in compensation for disabled individuals, and the case has been filed in the Northern District of California. This case highlights ongoing concerns about inclusivity and accessibility issues in the gig economy. Topic 3. Gemini, a crypto exchange by the Winklevoss twins, makes a notable debut on NASDAQ, reflecting the growing influence of cryptocurrency. Gemini, a cryptocurrency exchange founded by the Winklevoss twins, has made a significant debut on NASDAQ. The company began trading on September 12, 2025, with its stock price surpassing the initial offering price of $28, trading at 37.01 cents. This event reflects the growth and influence of the cryptocurrency industry. Established in 2014, Gemini holds over $21 billion in assets and raised $425 million through this IPO. NASDAQ has invested $50 million in Gemini and plans to offer its custody services to clients. The Winklevoss twins are advocates for the cryptocurrency industry and support pro-cryptocurrency policies from former President Trump. Topic 4. Facebook's ongoing privacy settlement is a focal point, with users anticipating details on their compensation. Meta, Facebook's parent company, has agreed to pay $725 million in a settlement related to the 2018 Cambridge Analytica scandal, where user data was compromised. This incident involved the collection of data from up to 87 million Facebook users by Cambridge Analytica, a data analytics firm that collaborated with Donald Trump's 2016 campaign. While Meta faces allegations of mishandling user information, it has not admitted wrongdoing in the settlement. Eligible users are those who held Facebook accounts from May 24, 2007 to December 22, 2022, and had to submit claims by August 25, 2023. Approximately 29 million claims were submitted, with around 18 million deemed valid. Compensation amounts will vary based on how long users have been on Facebook, with a minimum payout of $4.89 and a maximum of $38.36, averaging around $29.43. The final approval of the settlement is set for May 22, 2025, with payments starting on August 27th. Users will be notified via email and can choose PAYM,